Hello and welcome back. This is a Jingle Bells guitar tutorial and we'll be using fingerstyle technique. I'll be writing in my left hand finger placements on the tab. So this will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. And for the right hand, if there's anything, we'll just use the thumb for the bass, which is P, and then I, M, and A. If you're not sure how to set up your right hand technique for the PIMA technique, you can check out this video here. All right, so like I said, the left hand finger placements are with the blue. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So in the bass there we have the third finger, and then we're gonna try and kind of move around the bass. All right, so okay, so what you have here, you're going to try and hold that bass. You can see that I wrote hold. We'll take a look from another camera angle here. So it's very important that you try and keep the third finger on the basses as you move through. All right, let's take a look from bar number 6 here. From bar number 6. All right, let's keep going to bar number 11. So I have my fourth finger here as well. From bar number 14 here, open G in the bass. So you can see that I have a slide there from bar 14 into 15. I use the same finger here. Slide, and then slide back with the first finger. And there's a slight kind of a pause in between, which I didn't put in there, but you can imagine that there's a little bit of a rest there between the C and the G there on bar number 16. Once more from 14. Different camera angle here. I have a little bit of a slide there. All right, so moving on to this from bar 17. This is the main kind of theme. So you're always trying to hold the basses down. And this is our last line here from 22. And let's talk about those brackets 1 and 2 a little bit. So we have a repeat sign here. This is our repeat sign. And the repeats are starting back. There's another repeat sign. You just have to scroll up here on bar 17. So this is the start repeat sign. So when you get to towards the bar 23.4 here, this is the end repeat. And then this would be start repeat. So for the first time you repeat this, well, you play this twice only. So the first time you repeat, you play the first bracket here, and then on a second time around, you skip the first bracket, so you play 22, and you go over to the second bracket, and this is the actual ending here. So let me play the ending and talk a little bit about that. It's kind of all the same. You're still maintaining the melody and the bass. All right, that's it for this Jingle Bells fingerstyle guitar tutorial. I do have a performance video. You can watch that if you'd like to get a sense of what it sounds like. You can always add a little bit more dynamics and your own touch to it when you are learning this. Until next time, keep practicing and have a great day. See you. Bye.